Feeling lost in the world of finance and wondering if Chase Bank is the right place to start your journey? Let's break it down. First, accessibility. Chase boasts a massive network of branches and ATMs, making in-person banking super convenient. Especially if you prefer face-to-face assistance, consider if there are many locations near you and how often you might need to visit a branch. Next up, the Chase mobile app. It's generally user-friendly, allowing you to manage your accounts, pay bills, and even deposit checks from your phone. Take a look at screenshots of the app and see if the layout appeals to you. What about education? Chase offers some financial literacy resources on their website, but it might not be as extensive as some other banks or dedicated financial education platforms. Explore the Chase website to see what educational resources they provide and if it meets your needs. Now, let's talk fees. Traditional banks like Chase sometimes have higher fees than online alternatives. Be sure to understand the potential monthly fees, overdraft fees, and ATM fees before opening an account. Check the fine print. So, is Chase a good beginner bank? It depends on your needs. If you value branch access and a recognizable name, it could be a solid choice. But if you're prioritizing low fees and robust educational resources, explore all options. Good luck and happy banking.